Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever it is. Here I am, I'm at Rook and Glen Park today, and I'm testing my new camera out, which is this camera here, look. The Insta360. So we're going to get Insta360 and we're going to get GoPro 11. You tell me which one's best. We're going to put in the corner which one I'm using, but I'm sure you'll work it out. So I'm going to just walk along with this on me like this and see how this comes out. Let's walk along. This is me walking, obviously. Now look, let me know what the stabilization's like. Well, hopefully I'll know myself. Right, I'm gonna run now. This should be fun. I'm going to run. See how the stabilization like for running, and see if it keeps on the magnetic clip what we got here. Okay. No barbecue. Is that how you spell barbecue? Barbecues. Is that how you spell barbecue? I guess it must be. Right, I'm going to run. See how the stabilization is on this camera. Is that good? Is that good? Right, that's me out of breath. Right, I'm going to try and run again. I mean, I won't be doing a lot of running during my filming anyway, but it's a bit slodgy here. Yes, see, I can't be embarrassed filming. I mean, people everywhere, and I'm running like an idiot. Hey, let's go forward. I'm going to try this on my cap now. I'll show you what's on at the moment. This Insta360. It's on a magnetic. It's magnetic. Put it in your t-shirt there if you want. Just put it there, like that. But obviously I've got sunny climate, so I'm able to put it inside and put on my t-shirt. Now I've got this thing on my cap, so I'm going to clip this to the cap, and you can put that in there. If I put it the right way around, it might be helpful. And I'm going to put it on my head, obviously, because it's a cap. Let's see how this is for stabilization, etc. How's this? I'll do a little run, see how this is when I'm running. I don't think that'll be steady because my head's good up and down, but we'll see. Hey, this is just a little test, small video, a small video of me testing, and there it is. What do you think about it? I look a bit of an idiot walking around like that, won't I? But never mind. So you can get it, unclip it, and clip it back on me. So this is the POV. POV, what's that stand for? Point of view. Of course. There. It'd be better on a t-shirt because it's a bit wonky like this because this is flapping. Try and do it up a little bit. I don't know what happens when you turn it round. Does it film the same way? I don't know yet. Tell me well, you don't tell me in the comments because I'll find out when I'm editing. But tell me anyway. A lovely Rook and Glen Park. Do you want to see it? Well, that's me. Tell me what you think of my new camera. So GoPro 11 versus Insta360. What's the best? Don't forget, subscribe. And another thing. Thanks for all my new subscribers. It's shot up dramatically lately, from 3,000 to 6,000. How about that? 6,000 subscribers. I know you lot, bigger people, get thousands and thousands more, but that's good for me. I'm happy. Subscribe, like, share. I decided to record another little bit. This is me just holding it in my hand. No. What do you call it? I'm just holding it in my hand. No monopod, no tripod, nothing. No nothing. Flipping heck, I'm useless. Anyway, forgot all the words, but this is me just holding it in my hand. See how this is. And I'm going to put it in the car. We've got a car thing with it as well, so you can stick it in the car. So I'm going to drive around for a couple of minutes, see how it comes out there as well. So this is a test me driving. No, not me driving, the camera. The quality and stabilization when I'm driving. My driving's fine. There we are. I'm not going to touch it when I'm driving, not allowed. So it's going to keep recording. Okay, so just driving around like you do. Oh, let's go up here. I think there's a David Lloyd up here. I have been there before and it's just lovely, but I can't afford to go there because I'm spending all my money. It's taking you lot to different places around the globe, being a global traveller and all that. There's David Lloyd to my left, which you can't see. Let's carry up this road, see what this brings. The golf course to my left. That'll do, that'll do. Let's just go around this roundabout. See how it takes the roundabout. The camera, you go. So if you enjoyed that, a little walk around the park showing my camera, let me know which one's best, GoPro 11 or the Insta360. They're both on 2.7K, which is in between HD and 4K. It's a middle one. They should have just called it 2K, shouldn't they? So subscribe, follow, share, please, and comment, because I'm getting a few people actually watching now and subscribing, but nobody comment, nobody. Alright, postcard a pint, they comment, but that's about it. All my brothers and sisters just slag me off. They comment now and again, slag me off, but that's about it. Right, so I've put my camera on my head now, on my hat. So let's see how this is. All this traffic I've got to fight through. Oh my goodness, look at it. The gym. I won't be going there. Barbers won't be going there either. These lads going rush hour. It's dark up here, but we can test the lighting out here. How's the night time camera working? It's not even night vision. I wonder how it's working. I'm going to stop it and try and put night vision on for the car. That's what you're not meant to do, right? This is night vision. See how it is. I'm not too sure. How are these colours coming up? Me just walking with it in my hand at the moment. Is that better? Night vision, or just leave it as normal? Okay, we're off. GoPro or Insta? Which one? Which one's the best? I've got a feeling Insta might be the best for night vision, because I mean night vision on the GoPro is useless. It's like it starts going all blurry and dark and everything. It's a nightmare. So hopefully this night vision, even without the night vision on this camera, when I was filming earlier on without the actual night vision, it was just on vivid. I wonder how that works. Is there a difference between vivid and actual night vision? That's what I want to know. I don't know where you can see me. I haven't got the screen up. I can't really put the screen up. I'm driving. Yeah, I'm just checking the night vision facing in towards me. Don't know how that is. This is terrible. All this traffic. Oh dear. Yes. No wonder you turn my videos off. Let me know if you're still watching. The time on the video. I can't see anyone still watching. Have I got voice control on this? I'm going to try it, see if there's voice control on this camera. So I know it does add it, but I don't know if it's switched on or off. I'm going to say a word and the recording might stop. Okay. Recording off. Stop recording. Start recording. Stop recording. Oh well, still got me. If there is that option, I must have the option off. Right, so let me know what you think of it, and the most important thing, put in the comments what minute you're on. How far did you get? Where are you? Yeah, let me know where you are as well. Not your address and postcode and all that, just, you know, what country. Without putting your address and phone number, right? See you in the next one. Goodbye.